Stand together, everyone. Okay, family, move a bit back so you can be a safe distance from the fireworks.
We know that.
I want to be the first to see the first sparkle.
Hey, get off.
I fell.
That is what you get, little boy.
Hey!
I'm going to light the fuse to the fireworks in 10.
9,
8,
7,
6,
5,
4,
3,
2.
1.
Whoa, that was a big one.
I'm going to do more.
Now that is a lot. Chase,
Yes, Oscar, what is wrong?
why are you grinning for?
You know how you always wanted the world's biggest firework. Even when we was younger, I got the biggest firework for you.
Oh yeah, I did want big, but that's extremely big. It might be more dangerous. Plus, that was long time ago. That is way too big, so put it away.
Yeah, and you can't stop me. I am placing it now.
Help! It's way too big. Help, Chase, I am flying. I am scared of heights. Help! Guys, help me, I might fall. Wait, where am I going? Why am I reversing all of a sudden? Oh no! Hold on tight.
Well, I think that whole firework adventure went well.
Except for the big firework where I went flying. Fireworks from 2 years ago.
I remember this. How about the first one, Dad?
I will show you after this.
Okay, Dad.
Was this it?
Yeah.
These are last year. This year.
Wow, so big.